Dear all, welcome back to VJ Tech Talks. Last session, we learned about ETL versus ELT. If you didn't get an opportunity to watch it, I recommend that you do so now so that you know when to utilize ETL or ELT. In this episode, we will be learning what is Medallion architecture and how we can use it in Microsoft Fabric. Medallion architecture is a unique architecture developed by Databricks and adopted by Microsoft in their Fabric platform. The structure is simple, consisting of 3 levels of data. First, we have the bronze layer, which serves as the initial landing zone for the raw data coming from various external sources. This data is stored in its original format, preserving its raw state. Additionally, we add metadata such as load date, the time and process ID to maintain the data lineage. This layer is crucial because it allows us to keep a historical archive of the source data and supports reprocessing without needing to re-extract from the source's system again. Next, we have the silver layer where data undergoes initial cleansing and enrichment. Here, we transform the data just enough to provide a unified view of essential business entities, concepts, and transactions. This prepares the data for further transformations into the gold layer, ensuring that it is meaningful and ready for consolidation. Last and most important, gold layer contains highly processed, business-ready data optimized for reporting and analysis. This data is structured into subject-specific databases and employs denormalized red-optimized data models with minimal joins. The gold layer represents the final stage of applying data transformations and quality rules, making it ideal for supporting reporting, analysis, and business intelligence applications, and also machine learning. The Medallion architecture is designed to tackle the complexities of organizing and processing data within data lakes and lakehouses. Medallion architecture aims to improve the structure and quality of data as it moves throughout the different layers, allowing for incremental enhancement of data and making it more flexible and easier to manage. With this explanation, we have a fundamental comprehension of our project's execution requirements and definitions. If you haven't seen my prior Fabric videos, I highly encourage to watch it. You can find all of them in the Fabric series playlist. In the next episode, we will learn the requirements of the project and how we are implementing it in Medallion architecture. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.